Hello guys, we're here in race course, Aladala Beach. Very nice, and it's overlooking. Very beautiful view. Look at the beach on the side. You go. Very pretty. We're gonna wait for Ate Annie to come down. And here they really have a sign, precautions, so we need to follow the signs. Very beautiful, beautiful place. Pretty, overlooking. So we're going down in the steps to go down in the beach. One steps, two steps. You need to be careful in the steps. Racing, horse beach. This is Aladala, guys. There's a lot of beautiful places over here. So very nice. We're going down. You need to be careful. We're gonna. Look, guys. Wow! That's not so close, guys. Are you scared? The water is coming soon. No.
Bubble.
Bubble.
Yay.
We need to stay away from the big forest.
Hello, Bubble. Come back.
Come and get you. Yeah, oh. Look at the water. Okay naman daw. Oh. Mura man nag shape og look.
Very nice.
Oh dear. Sabi.
It's going so.
Look, 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 look! Tanawan niyo ang beach. Nindot kayo. Pero... Oh, look, look, look.
Look, it's everywhere.
Yeah, the water's been everywhere.
Now it's
It's everywhere now. Oh, look at... Careful, Jasmine. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, you can say something with a big wave, with a big splash. It's a beautiful day in the paradise.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, what's the name of this beach? Race.
Now it's everywhere.
No, it's everywhere. Now it's calm now.
Now we're not going
The water stopped. There you go. Look at the people swimming. Oh, how are they gonna manage? It's really scary to go for a swim because it's look. The big will come and get you. Look, Jasmine. Wow.
Where's the people?
Yep.
Where?
There, over there. See, you know the people that just passed by? Remember? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why are they going in? It's so cold.
I know, and it's not safe. But some people will do like this. So we're going home now. I'm going to the... Akyat na kami sa steps. So, look at the view, guys, behind me. It's really cool, the view. Very relaxing, guys. Makalimutan mo talaga yung problema mo kung... Look at that. It's very pretty. Ganda-ganda. The beach itself. There's a chairs to sit on with overlooking to the beach. There, pwede ka akyat dito. Pusing, te.